In this tutorial we'll walk through how to install the OpenGPU Provider app on macOS and how to start providing. Head over to Go to join the OpenGPU and click download for macOS. Once the download is complete, launch the app. Accept the software license agreement by clicking Agree, then click Install. After installation, click Launch Now. Click Provider Suite Install and continue the setup. Once all options turn green, click Complete. Select Continue, check both options, and click Continue again. Click Generate New and create a new password. Copy and safely save your recovery key, address, and private key. In Phase 1, copy your address, check the required box, and open the Management tab. Click Connect Wallet and connect your MetaMask wallet. Then click Add Provider and paste the address you copied in Phase 1. Select Announce Provider and click Confirm. Copy your MetaMask address and paste it into the Phase 2 section. Click Finish to complete the setup. Activate the Provider Suite. In the Management dashboard, go to the Source tab and click Register. Then open the Task tab. And there it is, the provider automatically attempted a task. And that's pretty much it. For every successfully confirmed task you'll receive a reward directly to your vault. Thanks for watching, and good luck providing.